And this is our bottle gourd. The stem is very brown. It is mature and we are going to remove it from the vine.
You getting this? Good footage? Alright. There you go.
I forgot that during the humid, rainy season, that bottle gourds cannot dry outside. And the one that we harvested got moldy, and instead of the skin drying out, it started getting soft, and we also accidentally punched a small hole in it. So after more than a week, I finally brought it inside, and now we have it in front of the fan all day and part of the evening. Hopefully we are going to be able to rescue it. We tried our best, but this bottle gourd did not dry properly, even with the fan. The shell is very, very thin, so we're going to open it up. My idea is that hopefully we'll at least be able to dry the seeds and get some seeds out of it. Oh my God, that's the most bizarre looking thing I've ever seen in
Kind of what I
my
expected.
life. It got totally moldy on the inside. So this is a lesson to be learned. Do not let your bottle gourd get even the smallest hole in it, and there should be at least some seeds in there. Totally moldy seeds that we're going to clean off and grow. As you can see, there's lots of seeds, but they're really, really moldy right now. Well, after 4 hours, our bottle gourd seeds are still floating, so I'm going to plant them in one container as an experiment and see if any of them germinate. Let's cover these with a very thin layer. Two-week update. I was really amazed. I didn't think any of them would grow, and 7 of them have turned into beautiful, beautiful seedlings. Incredible. I have no idea what I'm going to do with all these plants.